Priya is a courier driver who travels between the 5 towns shown on this map. Distances are showed in kilometres. On average, Priya travels 4 kilometres every 5 minutes, and each stop for a pickup or delivery adds 5 minutes. On Tuesday, Priya travels from Muro, stops for a pickup at Quatta, Ole and Pippi, and then returns to Muro. What is the minimum time this trip will take? Okay, Priya travels from Muro, so she starts off in Muro, and stops for a pickup at Quatta. Okay, so she travelled 12 kilometres to get to Quatta, and we know that she travels 4 kilometres every 5 minutes. Now this 12 kilometres is 3 times 4, so this takes 15 minutes, this first leg of the journey. Now, each pickup or delivery adds 5 minutes, so this pickup at Quatta is another 5 minutes, and then there's another one at Ole. So this, from Quatta to Ole, is another 15 kilometres, which we can see, if she travels 4 kilometres every 5 minutes, is approximately 20 minutes. And then 5 minutes for the pickup itself. Then from Ole to Pippi is a 20 kilometre trip, and that is 5 times 4, so a 25-minute journey, and then 5 minutes for the pickup in Pippi itself, and then returns to Muro, which takes 10 kilometres, and that is again approximately 2.5 times 4, so that takes 12.5 minutes. So let's look at how long this is now, adding up all this time. 15 plus 5 is 20, plus another 20 is 40, plus 5 is 45, plus 25 is 70, plus 5 75, and then we have 87.5 minutes, which is roughly equal to 1 hour, which is 60, then 27.5 minutes. So this is between 1 and 1.5 hours. So our answer here should be